Hi, I'm Manjit Grung. Welcome to Refrigeration, Air Conditioning and Heat Pump here in North Kent College. I've been working here for the last 6 years. Before that, I'm an ex-serviceman. I did 22 years loyal service in the British Army. And before I came over here, I used to be an instructor in Brompton Barracks, the Royal School of Military Engineering, where I used to teach young soldiers. This refrigeration and air conditioning industry is growing, fastest growing industries in the UK. Not only the UK, across the world. Lots of the previous students now they moved to New Zealand, Australia, doing this job. And now this year, lots of employers now looking for young, brainy engineers. So yes, of course, this trade has got lots of opportunity. So all I want to say is now, if really wants to do better in the future career, then please consider to choose this industry.
I'm Nathan. I'm doing the same course as Charlie, and this is our first year. I currently have a refrigeration engineering job, so it's good to get the theory behind what I'm doing at work. I originally was at college, and I was about 3 months from completing when I realised it really wasn't for me. So I started applying for more hands-on jobs because the courses I was doing were going to end me up in an office-based job. And I came across refrigeration and air conditioning. I'd say that it's never too late to rethink what you want to do. So if you don't feel confident in the career you are pursuing, then don't hesitate to change. Have a look around and pick something that would suit you better.
We are one of the best training provider here in Kent. Our success rate is very, very high, and we are always working hard to provide better training here. And our college is investing more and more money on the new equipment. And the equipment wise, obviously, we have got all the equipment that we need for this award, like the new equipment, like the refrigeration unit. That's what most of our students, they do the ABGAS. That's one of the qualifications our level 2 students will get that at the end of their course. So we have got all the equipment that we need, and still the college is now providing more and better equipment that required for the Sit and Guilds awarding certificate. This is one of the fast growing industries, and there's lots of opportunity. So once our students has left the college with the full qualifications, and they don't have to wait long. Even now these days, I receive lots of emails from the potential employers looking for young qualified engineers. So the job is always there. And another thing, from my the past experience, lots of the previous students now they have already set up their own business. And some of them have now contacted me asking for young engineers to work for them, which is very good plus point.